magnetize this, and it's a perfect companion for the kitchen. So you can put your minutes, 23 seconds, but we want to put 00 for 23 minutes. Hit the start. Today we're going to bring an actual timer for cooking, for kitchen, indoors, outdoors. It's not waterproof, but we're going to use it outdoors today because we're going to smoke something. And we want to time it, so we want to make sure we have a timer set. They do include 2 AAA batteries included, so let's go ahead and set it up. And on top of that, they give you this handheld thing, so you could tie it down and keep it on the wrist, all right? So you won't lose it, but you got the actual magnet, and we're going to set up the batteries and set it up. They do include the actual instructions, and the magnet, of course, but you're not going to need it because it's very simple. All you got to do is punch it down, and you hit the start, and you hit stop and reset if you want. So right now we're going to do 111. We'll do 1 minute and 11 seconds for now, and then you hit the start. All you got to do is hit the start button, and it automatically starts going. All right, so you can see the actual meter, the countdown, and everything. So we're gonna stop it. All right, we're gonna stop it, and then we're gonna reset it. Reset button, reset it. Now we're gonna do 1 second only, and we're gonna start to hear how loud it is. Oh, you can hear it. So we're outdoors right now. We're actually going to cook in the barbecue. So let's go ahead and set this up and put a magnet to it. So we're going to hit the stop.